Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pod Eng, the best place to learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Mrs. Chloe.
Hello, Chloe, and hello, everyone. I'm Mr. Joe. It's great to be here today.
It's great to have you here too, Joe. How are you?
I am doing great, thank you. I am happy and ready for our new topic. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about something wonderful. We will talk about friendship.
Friendship. Well, that is a beautiful topic. Everyone needs a good friend.
Yes, they do. But before we start, we have a small message for our amazing listeners.
That's right. If you enjoy our podcast, please remember to subscribe and click the like button. It helps our channel grow. Thank you.
Okay, Joe, let's begin. The first question is simple. What is a friend?
That's a good question. For me, a friend is someone you like to spend time with, someone you can laugh with.
I agree. A friend is someone who is kind to you. You can talk to a friend. You can play with a friend. For example, my friend and I like to drink coffee and talk.
Oh, that's nice. My friend and I like to play football in the park. It's a lot of fun. So, a friend is for having fun.
Yes, having fun is very important, but being a good friend is also very important. How can we be a good friend, Joe?
I think one important thing is to help your friends.
Can you give an example? How can we help?
Of course. For example, if your friend is carrying many books and the books fall down, you can help pick them up. That is a small act of help. That is being a good friend.
That is a perfect example. It's simple, but very kind. I think another important thing is to listen.
Listen? What do you mean?
When your friend is sad, maybe they want to talk. A good friend sits and listens. You don't need to say much. Just listening is a great help.
Ah, I see. So, we help our friends and we listen to our friends. What else?
One more thing is to share. Children in school learn to share their toys. As adults, we can share our food, our time, or even a nice story.
I like that. So, a good friend helps, listens, and shares. That sounds easy.
It is easy, but sometimes it can be difficult. Joe, do friends always agree? Do they always like the same things?
Oh, no, of course not. Sometimes friends disagree. For example, I like the color blue, but my friend likes the color red. We like different things.
Exactly. And is that a problem?
No, it's not a problem. He can like red, and I can like blue. We are still friends.
That is right. Good friends respect each other. They understand that it is okay to be different. But what if you have an argument? A small fight?
That can happen. Sometimes I say something that makes my friend sad.
And what is a very important word to say at that time?
I know. The word is sorry. Saying I am sorry is very important for friends.
Yes, it's a magic word. It shows you care about your friend's feelings. It makes everything better.
This is a great conversation, Chloe. So, let's review. A friend is someone we have fun with.
And to be a good friend, we should help, listen, and share.
And we must remember that it's okay to be different. Good friends respect each other.
And if there is a problem, we can always say, I am sorry. All of these small things create a strong friendship.
It feels good to be a good friend, and it feels wonderful to have a good friend.
Now, we have a question for all of you listening.
Yes. In the comments below, please tell us what is one kind thing you will do for your friend this week?
It can be very simple, like, I will call my friend, or I will buy my friend a cookie.
We can't wait to read your ideas. Let's fill the comments with kindness.
Thank you all for listening to us today on Pod Eng. We hope you feel inspired.
And remember, a small act of kindness can make a big difference. Be a good friend. Until next time.
Goodbye, everyone.